Ingrown hairs can be painful, irritating, and frustrating, especially when they appear after shaving, waxing, or tweezing. They happen when hair curls back into the skin instead of growing outward, causing redness, bumps, swelling, and sometimes infection. This is more common for people with tightly curled hair, but it can happen to anyone. In this video, you'll learn safe and gentle ways to deal with ingrown hairs, reduce irritation, and lower the risk of scarring or infection. Using a warm compress to remove the ingrown hair. Apply a warm compress by soaking a clean washcloth in very warm water and placing it over the ingrown hair for 3 to 5 minutes until it cools. Repeat 3 to 4 times before treating the area further. After using a warm compress, gently use alcohol disinfected tweezers to lift the free end of the ingrown hair to the surface. Do not dig into the skin or pluck the hair out completely. If you cannot reach it, wait and try again the next day. Once the free end of the hair is lifted, leave it alone for 24 hours. Keep applying a warm compress every 2 hours and make sure the hair stays free. Do not pull it out as it may grow back deeper. Using home remedies to treat ingrown hairs. Try gentle spot exfoliation to help loosen the ingrown hair. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, sea salt, or sugar with 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Apply with a cotton ball, rub softly in small circular motions, then rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use honey to soothe the area. Apply a small amount to the ingrown hair with a Q-tip, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse with warm water and pat dry. Repeat twice daily to moisturize the skin and help prevent infection. Keep the skin moisturized while treating the ingrown hair. Apply a small amount of moisturizer after each treatment to soften the skin, make the hair easier to release, and reduce the risk of irritation or scarring. Avoiding permanent damage when removing an ingrown hair. Avoid digging out an ingrown hair with tweezers, needles, pins, or anything sharp. Breaking the skin can cause irritation, infection, or scarring. It is safer to leave the hair alone and let it heal naturally. Avoid shaving, waxing, tweezing, or removing more hair from the affected area until the ingrown hair heals. After it clears, leave the area alone for a few days. You can also try gentler options like clippers or depilatory creams. Ingrown hairs can cause itchy, painful bumps and may become infected. In some cases, they can lead to dark spots or scarring, especially if you try to dig them out. Most heal on their own, but see a doctor if the area becomes very painful, infected, or does not improve. And preventing ingrown hairs on your face. Avoid alcohol-based shaving products as they can dry and irritate the skin, increasing the risk of ingrown hairs. Use a gentle, moisturizing shaving product with plant oils or hypoallergenic ingredients instead. Use a warm compress before shaving to soften the skin and facial hair. Place a warm washcloth on your face for 3 to 4 minutes or shave after a hot shower to reduce irritation and lower the risk of ingrown hairs. Massage shaving oil or cream into your face in gentle circular motions, working against the grain. Let it sit for a few minutes before shaving. Use light strokes with a sharp razor, replace dull blades, and moisturize afterward with a gentle, natural moisturizer. Talk to your doctor about treatment options for frequent ingrown hairs. They may suggest topical retinoids, mild corticosteroids, antimicrobials, alpha-hydroxy acids, or eflornithine to slow facial hair growth. Consider laser hair removal if you have chronic ingrown hairs or want longer-lasting hair removal. It can be effective, but it may be costly, painful, and require multiple sessions. Since it can also cause side effects, talk to a doctor or dermatologist and avoid using at-home lasers on your face. Thanks for watching!